when you come to the console, it should already be running the Grand MA on PC software. If for some reason it's not, the show file will be on the desktop. You can double click. It's asking you if you've pirated the software. Click yes to say that I haven't pirated the software, and you're now into the system. At this point, if you want to load the base blank file, if you're starting from scratch, you'd come to the backup menu, and we go to load show, and then we have blank show at the bottom, which is the one with just house light control and blank palettes everywhere else. We'll load show. We can click this X. Often we'll get pop-up windows that come on the screen. The X that's mid-screen, it's mimicking a screen on the big console. That's what you'd want to click. From here, we'll go to screen 2. We can see we've already populated the executors with pot information and flow information. We have pots A, B, C, D, E, and all pots corresponds to A, B, C, D, E, and all pots. And the same on the buttons. You have flows A, B, C, D, E. And then the important one, which is the control. If you toggle on the control, we've now told the system that we want to control the house lights from the lighting console, not from the wall panels. Once that's pressed, you can see in our channel menu here, 61 through 65, which are actually labeled control A, B, C, D, and E. They're lit up, meaning they're signal sent. We can now toggle on the flows by pressing those buttons. In the same instance, we could toggle them here, with the downfall being if you accidentally toggle too high, you're going to open up this edit menu. So you just click this X again, the one that's mid-screen. You want to be careful to just hit the toggle keyword, but it's much easier to come here and just press the button. If we wanted to be able to control, say, the chandeliers or the pots over the front of house areas, we'd come to our big long screen menu on the side here. If we click executors 1 through 15, we can see chandeliers A, B, C, D, and E, and we could push those chandeliers up and turn the chandeliers on from virtual control surface here. And then over here we have toggle buttons that correspond to the front of house pot lights in each of the halls. And they're just toggles. They're either on or off. In addition to that, we also have control for A, B, C, D, and E independently of A through E being the entire room. So if we were only working in hall B, we wouldn't turn on A through E control. That would be off, and we'd say, oh, we're only in B, so I'm going to take control of B from the console.